I recently learned Framer and found out a lot of cool things about this whole no-code scene. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you the pros and cons of using Framer, and also if these no-code tools are going to replace web development. But first, why did I even learn Framer? The first reason is so I could spin up websites really quick. If I ever need a simple landing page or a portfolio website, I could do that really quick and easily with Framer. And the second reason is because the UI is incredibly simple. And the UI is really similar to that of Figma's, which I'm already familiar with. That's why I chose Framer over something like WordPress. So now let's move on to the advantages and disadvantages of using Framer. And the first advantage being less customizability. Framer of course has much less customizability as compared to a website you code yourself using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now here's how I like to think about it, alright? So code gives you the freedom to create whatever you want, while Framer gives you the tools to sculpt a basic website into something you like. Now the second disadvantage is that you can't really build complex software because of the lack of complexity I talked about earlier. Framer is not ideal if you want to build something complex like a micro SaaS in which you turn your product idea into a software tool. Now the third disadvantage is a lack of a proper backend. You can't really have a proper backend with Framer, and although you can't have a full-blown database, if all you need is a simple CMS, Framer can do the trick for you. Now let's go on to the advantages. The first of which is that it's amazing for building simple websites. I think this is where Framer really shines. Building something like a portfolio website or a landing page is a breeze. And the second advantage is that it's really easy to learn. And this intuitive UI really helps with it. And as I talked about earlier, the UI is really similar to Figma's, which helps a lot. Now, the third advantage is that you can build really quick with it. Framer allows us to put together a website really quickly. And as said before, this is one of the key reasons I learned Framer in the first place. Now all this begs the question, can Framer or really any other no-code tool replace web development as a whole? Well, the answer is no, it can't. Now coding gives you the freedom to really build whatever you need to, and Framer just doesn't do that. But these no-code tools like Framer and Webflow really shine when you need to put together something really simple like a landing page or a portfolio website. And if you gained any kind of value from this video, be sure to consider subscribing because you might like my other videos too. Thank you for watching.